We have new grass bag. Over here is the old bag with some stuff in the back of my truck thrown out. And the spring's in. And she's almost ready. In a couple days, we let the MTD loose. And of course I still have my cotter pins. Now we got the cover off. I found out last time, of course, the pulley isn't rubbing enough to really be a problem. Got brand new cable on there. Goes all the way up to the handles. And now we got the final part that makes this thing work. A spring. Spring goes into one of these bottom holes. Spring goes into that hole right there and goes to that hole right there. And that's what holds the clutch off until you pull the handle up there. There we are, buttoned back up, nice and tight. There's that spring installed. Now I just gotta put that back on there. Last footage before the start of it. When we go to Jennifer's and do the yard. Everything's fixed. This control is nice and ready. This moves nice and smooth. Throttle's nice and smooth. Compression. I'd say she's ready to cut some grass.